Good morning everyone, Bridget here again. Today, again a very simple Anglo-Indian dish that is probably cooked in Anglo-Indian homes practically every week or maybe every fortnight. It's just the simple Anglo-Indian meat pepper fry. And my ingredients are very simple as usual. I don't use ginger and garlic in my pepper fry. So I'm sure that you like this video, and I hope you'll try this recipe that I'm going to show you now. So come along, let's get started without further ado. So first of all, we'll heat 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan and then add the sliced onions and the slit green chilies and fry for some time. Now I used around 2 large onions and 2 green chilies for half a kilo of mutton. So fry for a little while till it turns like light brown. Then we'll add in our mutton. Okay, so mix this and keep frying till the pieces give out water and the mutton turns a lighter color. You could see that it's firming up. So keep stirring and frying, and now you can see that the meat has firmed up. So at this point we'll add in 2 teaspoons of pepper powder. So pepper is the hero of this dish, nothing else. And add in your chopped tomato. I used 1 large tomato just to give it a little gravy. Sometimes people don't add tomato, but for this recipe I've added chopped tomatoes. So mix everything well and let it fry for a little while. Let it fry well. Now you can add sufficient water just to cover the mutton. Don't add more. Add salt to taste. Mix again. And now add in your potatoes. If you want, you could cut them into quarters or halves, but I prefer to leave them whole for this particular recipe. And then cover and simmer till your mutton is tender. It may take around 20 minutes to half an hour. You can see that the water's all dried up, the mutton is cooked, your potatoes are cooked, and our pepper fry is ready. You could see what a lovely glossy color the whole dish has. So now what you can do is switch off the heat and let the curry rest, the pepper fry rest for some time. As you can see, our pepper fry is now ready, and it's such a simple and easy dish. You could use beef instead of mutton, no problem. And if you like this video, please like and share it, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel.